हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। आज की वीडियो के लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। सो वी डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस इम्प्रॉम्प्टू ट्रिप टू गोवा। येस, कैन यू बिलीव इट? मैं और इम्प्रॉम्प्टू प्लान। आई मीन आई एम अ ट्रू लिबरल, which means I love planning, organizing and making lists. Impromptu plans truly make me anxious. सो ये गोवा का प्लान हमने अपने कपल फ्रेंड्स के साथ बनाया है. एक्चुअली दे वर द वंस हु प्लांटेड दिस आइडिया इन आवर हेड एंड देन वी डिस्कस्ड एंड थॉट या व्हाई नॉट, चलते हैं गोवा. स्टे ट्यून्ड टू सी सम ब्यूटिफुल सी साइड सीनरी एंड ऑल्सो मैनी होटल एंड रेस्टोरेंट रिकमेंडेशंस. तो घर से निकले एयरपोर्ट की तरफ और एयरपोर्ट पहुंच के सीधा लाउंज. I and my husband love lazing around in the airport lounge. The Bangalore airport's lounge is truly quite luxurious. Besides loads of comfortable seating, they serve 3 to 4 course elaborate buffet meals. Along with that, they always have a few items on the live counter as well. तो वहाँ से हमने करी पेट पूजा and then we went to Happy Cuppy to have some coffee. चलो आउटफिट चेक करते हैं. I'm wearing a white tank top with rust colored palazzo pants. साथ में आई एम वेयरिंग अ बंच ऑफ सिल्वर बैंगल्स. गेट की तरफ जाते हुए मेरी नज़र पड़ी इस बहुत ही क्यूट वेलकम टू स्टारबक्स बोर्ड पे. ओके, अभी के लिए बाय. आई सी यू इन गोवा. रूम टूर. कम, लेट मी शो यू आवर रूम. The room was very big and spacious. As we entered, on the right side was the storage, wardrobes, and a very big bathroom. और लेफ्ट साइड पे था the entire room, a small sitting area, and even a balcony. Our balcony was surrounded by beautiful tropical foliage. This room has been very thoughtfully designed and furnished. They even have some chakna for people who want to have some drinks in the room. The bathroom was very spacious. Unlike usual hotels, the bath area was so big. Hello. By the time we put our luggage, changed and got fresh, it was already evening. This is how our resort looked in the evening. Look at this. It looks like a little tropical paradise. The resort was literally like a tropical jungle with little cobbled paths that took you to your rooms. And in the night, it would get lit up with these lamps and other hanging lights to give it such a beautiful look. ओके, सो फर्स्ट नाइट इन गोवा एंड हम अपने ब्यूटीफुल होटल से निकल कर पहुँचे पर्पल मार्टिनी. दिस इज़ क्वाइट अ पॉपुलर एंड अ सॉट आफ्टर लाउंज क्लब एंड बार इन अंजना. बीच साइड पे होने के कारण इट हैज़ सम रियली स्टनिंग व्यूज़. ये हमारी पहली इवनिंग है गोवा में एंड वी ऑल आर सो एक्साइटेड. इसी एक्साइटमेंट में वी ऑर्डर्ड अ पिक्चर ऑफ LIIT. I cannot even tell you what a big mistake it was. This was the strongest, most pungent drink I have ever had in my life. Along with that, we ordered some usual bar food. Some squid pepper fry, pizza and nachos. I would say the food was a 6 on 10. Not anything extraordinary. But it did the job. और ये है हमारी उस रात की सबसे बड़ी गलती. The purple martini shots. 1, they were terribly expensive and 2, they were very, very strong. I think this is where we all lost our sensibilities. और आगे आप देखिए हमने कितना धमाल मचाया. Welcome to day 2, guys. We're slightly hungover from last night, but that did not stop us from planning for this day. It was almost afternoon and we decided to step out from our hotel and go to the Morjim beach. Morjim में काफ़ी सारे well-known और sought-after beachside cafes or bars हैं. We picked Tomatoes. This place has various seating options. You could choose to sit indoors, right at the bar, in a semi-open place where you could still enjoy the breeze but stay away from the sun, or sit right at the beach, which costs an extra cover charge. On day 3, we went to another place in Anjana called Pisco by the Sea. I think this was a gem of a find. The food was absolutely incredible and the views breathtaking. हमने अपना पूरा दिन यहीं पे स्पेंड किया, eating, drinking, chatting and having a lot of fun. I spent the last day of the trip staying in the hotel, and then in the afternoon we took our flights back to Bangalore. I hope you enjoyed this little video. This is my heartfelt effort to show you glimpses of my life through my lens. Take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Bye.